Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. I hope everyone are doing well. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you're new here, you're welcome. I appreciate every one of you guys. Unbox with me. Let me show you guys what we got from Africa. All right guys, this is the boss. Okay, one of my husband friend went to Nigeria. Okay, and when he came back, he brought some food stuff for us. Okay, now I'm here to unbox it and show it to you guys what we got. Okay, the first bag, inside it is a bitter leaf. Okay, dried bitter leaf. That's what is inside this bag right here. Okay, dried bitter leaf. Okay, then the next one is ugu leaf. Yeah, pumpkin leaf. They are well dried. When I say dried, they are all well dried. Okay, that is pumpkin leaf, aka ugu leaf. Okay, then the next one guys is water leaf. Water leaf, they've already dried it also. When I say this thing is dried, it's well dried. I can't wait to eat this water leaf. Okay, it's been a long time since I've had water leaf. Okay, I can't wait to use it. This water leaf, well dried. Okay, then also the next one is stockfish. Okay, that is stockfish, okporoko. Okay, that is stockfish. As you can see, I was just looking at it. It was smelling so good. That is stockfish. Then the next one, let's move on. The next one is all those are spice. Okay, all those are spice. Those are spice for cooking. Then what else again? That one is what is that one? I think that one was crayfish or so. Yeah, no, not crayfish. I mean what is it called? Banga spice. Banga and the pepper soup spice. Yeah, that's banga and pepper soup spice. Then that one is Cameroon pepper. Okay, Cameroon pepper. They all blend as Cameroon pepper, as you can see. Thank you all for watching. I appreciate you guys. If you're new to my page, my new YouTube channel, make sure to like and share and subscribe. That is a blended dry pepper. Then this one is ogbono, blended ogbono. They have to blend everything because here in America, before you bring any, they don't want seed. You have to blend it. Okay, I was just sneezing because the pepper was going inside my nose. Okay, this one is what is it called? That is the ogbono. Okay, blended ogbono. Then the last one is blended egusi. That's blended egusi. Now I have a lot of egusi that will last me for a long time. Okay, see, the egusi was a lot. Even the ogbono was a lot too. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna take them, store them in the freezer. And that one is a crayfish. Okay, that's crayfish. It's blended crayfish. They have to blend everything. If not, they will just seize this stuff from the airport. They have to make sure they blend all the egusi and the ogbono. Okay, that's it guys. Thank you all for watching. I hope you guys like the video. Make sure to share. I love you guys. I'll see you all in my next one. Bye guys.